It's Ben. So there's something. The Fidelity Checklist is a little questionnaire that popped up twice for each teacher during the course of their using the app, and they answered all the same questions twice. So it's in the database. I think it's called the Fidelity Checklist. But I'd like to get an export with all of the data from that, and the teachers actually answered the same questions twice. So here's what the layout. Um, the first column would be the teacher ID. The second is the date of submission of their questionnaire, and then each of these, the following would be the answers to the questions. So these are exactly as they appear in the app. It says successfully paired the app with the Braille display, and their answer is either a 1 or a 0, either a yes or a no. So they're all of these. Let's see, these are all 1s or 0s. And here, there's, for all placement tests, which Braille code did you use? The user had a choice of between 1 or 2, 1 and 2, the Unified English Braille or eBay, English Braille American Edition. So that's what the answer will be to display. And then moving on, these are all still 1s and 0s. And one of the last questions is, for all activities, which Braille code did you use again for the activities? And then we're going to use the same one of these two answers. And then I think the last two questions are that when using the app with VoiceOver, I am, and they're answering 1 through 4. 1 being not very good, and 4 being very competent. So the user is going to answer a 1 through 4. So we'll just put a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4 in there. And then same with the last one here. When using the Braille display, I am 1 through 4, either very incompetent or competent is how they'll answer it. And then we're going to repeat it again. Same teacher. Actually, you don't need the teacher ID twice. But the second response to those same questions, the date that they responded, and all exactly the same questions, formatted exactly the same. Should be pretty easy. If you could just set that up for me, that would be great. Yeah, so just ping me if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.